No, you're not seeing double. Meet Mary-Kate and Ashley, two adorable sister cats who share more than just their looks. They made their way from Maryland to New York City hoping to find the perfect home, and they did. Two sisters, adopted by two sibling roommates, the perfect match. Now, Mary-Kate and Ashley spend their days filled with love, cuddles, and double the fun. Because sometimes family isn't just who you're born with, it's who you find along the way. Please like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.